Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which asks draw an Indian traditional wear with proper detailing. So to solve this type of question, first you need to draw the figure uh, line of actions of the figure itself. So and give the head, shoulder line, waistline, some indication of the hand just with some stick figures and then slight indication of how the legs are. No amount of detailing is required at the beginning. After that, when you have this, you start giving indication of the features of the figure, neck, and here we can slowly start giving the. So let's just first give the volume of the hands, so that will set the stage for drawing the other portions. So now we can add slowly visualize the cloths and then add other details of the folds of the clothes. So see, now we have the volume of the entire cloth, and we can give certain lines to indicate its folds. Remember to draw only the main folds. It is not possible in a given examination site to draw all kinds of folds. So give some major lines which indicates the fold of the uh, cloth, and which helps you make uh, or make a sketch which is uh, clearly understandable, like the kind of cloth you are trying to draw. All right, now we will just readjust the face a little bit. Remember, in this kind of drawing you need to don't need to give much detailing on the figure's features. Rather, you shall work on the cloths. So now you see, as I have the entire figure. Now we can add slight amount of colorings to make the figure come alive. So first you can give a very basic color, and then you can add certain highlights. Alright, after that you can use a darker color and give it at places where so that the figure comes out. Okay, after you have colored it, then you can use your other colors to make some prints. Which would look nice and give certain interesting feel to the cloth itself. So the design can be up to your choice. Here I am using a motif which is like more like it is repeated across the sari. And that is how you can create an interesting sketch. Which would suit for the answer of the question. Remember, whenever you are giving these motifs, it shall work in the flow of the clothes fold. In this way. So see, now we have the textures and the necessary design. So I hope you understand how to respond to a question like this. Keep practicing different garments. Thank you.